16 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, the Mediatek Helio G37, 6000 mAh battery, 18-watt fast charging, 90Hz display, a punch-hole notch, beautiful design, 16 megapixel camera, 93,000 naira. This is the Infinix Hot 30 Play. So the question is, should you buy it? In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the device to find out the answer to that question. My name is Yudi, I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Inside the box, you get the phone, MTN card to redeem 1 GB of data, X-Pack pamphlet, a TPU case, Type-C cable, charging brick, and the SIM ejector tool. There should be wired headphones in here. Someone took them out. Anyways, all this will cost you 93,000 naira. The rear of the Hot 30 Play looks pretty. I like the pattern, it looks elegant, and it is a matte finish, so you won't get smudges on the rear of this phone. The side of the Hot 30 Play is flat, not curved, but I couldn't get the phone to stand on its own. We get a punch-hole selfie camera, and the bezels are just okay, they are not too big. On the right is where the volume rockers and the power button is located. The power button also doubles as the fingerprint scanner, and it works great, it unlocks the phone really fast. At the bottom we get the headphone jack, the primary microphone, Type-C port, and the single bottom firing speaker. On the left side is the dual SIM plus memory card slot, and up top there is nothing. At the back we see the Infinix branding and of course the dual rear cameras and the LED flash. Moving over to the front of the Infinix Hot 30 Play, we see the 6.82-inch 720p LCD display with a refresh rate of 90Hz, which makes scrolling and using this device really smooth. It also helps with gaming. Colors are decent and the quality is good. It's your usual 720p display, but know that it doesn't get bright enough to use this phone comfortably under direct sunlight. If you are enjoying the video so far, kindly hit that like button so that YouTube can show our video to more people, and also subscribe to our channel. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you. Dual rear cameras is what we get on the Hot 30 Play. A 16 megapixel main sensor and a depth sensor. Up front we get an 8 megapixel front facing camera for selfies. It can shoot video up to 1080p at 30 fps on both cameras. Now under good lighting conditions, the Hot 30 Play produced really sharp pictures. Even at 2x zoom, photos still appear sharp, and HDR is decent. The selfies however are just overexposed. They were a bit better indoors though, but overall shots from the selfie camera will come out overexposed, especially when you use portrait mode. Hey guys, so this is what video looks like indoors on the Hot 30 Play. This is the selfie camera and I'm going to head outdoors right now. And this is what video looks like outdoors. Let me know what you think of the video quality and the audio quality in the comment section below. The Infinix Hot 30 Play comes with Android 13 on XOS 12.6. It comes pre-installed with some bloatware apps, but most of them can be uninstalled. We get 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. You also get memory fusion to extend the RAM up to 16 GB. Performance-wise, it's powered by the Mediatek Helio G37. It's fine for regular smartphone use, but when it comes to gaming, don't expect to play graphic-intensive games. It will lag. Here are the Geekbench scores and it should give you a good idea on how the phone performs. 6000 mAh battery with 18 watts of fast charging is what we get on the Infinix Hot 30 Play, which should take about 2 hours to get full. That's pretty good. So, who should buy the Infinix Hot 30 Play? We get a huge display, 128 GB of storage, 8 GB of RAM, and a 6000 mAh battery. Performance is okay and the rear camera is decent. So if you're on a tight budget and you want a phone that has more than enough RAM, more than enough storage, more than enough battery, a huge 90Hz display for watching movies, light gaming and whatnot, a good all-round experience, then the Infinix Hot 30 Play is a great option. Value for money. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed for more videos just like this one. My name is Yudi. This is Yudi Shoes. Thank you so much for watching, and you see me in my next video.